Araneta. I'm Colette. Hi, Araneta. Ako po si Maloy. Hi, it's me again. It's Mika.
What's up, everyone? It's Aya.
Hi, guys. I'm Sheena.
Hi, everyone. I'm Gwen.
What's up, Kapamilya? I'm Stacy. What's up? It's Joanna. And we are Bini! Woo! Hi, mga Kapamilya! Woo!
Guys, yung huli tayong nagkita, bago kayo umalis ng World Tour. Now that you're back, congratulations, by the way, on the very successful World Tour. We're just curious, kamusta naman yung mga experience niyo and how was everything?
It was actually so fun when we had a world tour kasi it was the first time that we were in a tour bus. Sobrang saya, tapos bunk beds kami, ganon. And now that we're back, it's so happy because we are filled in a place that's really full of support and good energy. Yes, and
we just want to say thank you so much, Jollibee and PH Care. Thank you so much for supporting us, Bini, all the time. And thank you so much, Blooms!
Alam nyo ba, guys? Naka-break talaga ang Bini this July, pero pinili nyong bumalik para sa Star Magic All-Star Games. Isa pa. Actually, gusto natin marinig yung yung sagot nila, guys. I'm so sorry. Hindi natin sila pwedeng pag-isapahin pa. Dahil like I said, naka-break po sila dapat ngayong July. Pero again, dahil mahal na mahal nila ang mga kapamilya natin at ang Blooms, ay bumalik sila dito. Girls, how does it feel performing once again para sa Star Magic All-Star Games?
Siyempre po, sobrang saya po talaga na makapag-perform po ulit dito. And maraming salamat sa ABS-CBN na palagi kaming ini-invite sa All-Star Games. And actually, isa to sa parang naging training grounds namin para mas maging excellent talaga. And dahil sa tulong nyo, dahil sa pagmamahal nyo kapamilya, naidala natin sa iba't ibang lugar, iba't ibang bansa yung talento ng Pilipino. Thank you po. Kasi nabangan nyo rin po dahil malapit na po namin i-release yung music video ng Shaggy D. Yes, abangan nyo rin po ang aming Bini Cosmetics coming out soon.
Right? Ang dami nga dapat abangan sa inyo, no? So may Bini Cosmetics, meron nga yung music video, yes?
Yes, I'm sure everyone is looking forward to your new music video. And we also heard that some lucky Blooms are here with us today.
yeah, shout out to all the Bini.Global members watching here tonight!
And congrats to the 100 members na napiling makakasama namin for the quick meet and greet. And for those na gusto makakuha ng exclusive perks, access or content, access katulad ngayon sa event natin, just go to Bini.Global website and be a member today. Again, we are Bini 23! Thank you po!
Thank you so much, girls, once again. Palakpakan natin the nation's girl group,
Bini!
What a finale for our 2025 Star Magic All-Star Games. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum at sa mga super kapamilya natin sa live stream natin sa ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel.